Alright, Enhancement 7. So to begin, the first step was to make sure that the changes made to the admin view were complete. First one being remove the client level from displaying. As you can see, there's no client level. Next one, text indicating they're logged in. You're logged in. Update account information link. Update account. HTML heading to receive the products link. And brief explanation, this is for an admin client, so let's pop out and log back in. Alright, there we go. And code to display from the session if one exists. I'm not going to break something just to show you that, but I will. Here on the admin page, and we have session message, so that you can tell it will show up if it will. If it does show up, and it'll show up right here in between the header and this text. Alright, now for the rest of the submission. Client update page is valid HTML5. And I'm actually going to log out again, because as mentioned, I don't want to tinker with my admin account. I kind of like that account as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and mess with my Guy Fawkes account. Here is the product page. And this is me showing you that it is valid HTML. And you know what, just because we can be picky, it is also valid CSS. Account update process works. Alright, well, let's name this guy Dude Fawkes. That's a thing now. Why not? Update information. Your information has been updated. First name is now Dude Fawkes. And, you know, let's be particularly picky and change all this information. Now we got Dude Fawkes. And let's go ahead and change it back to Guy Fawkes with fakelegit.com, showing that it updates multiple fields. It does have validation, and if we no validate, you can also see that the fields are sticky as well. And I'm not going to remember this, so I'm going to change it back. And if we try and change it to something that already works, it will let us know. If we're changing it to what it already is, then it'll just give us a general error. Because, you know, trying to change your email, well, actually you're not trying to change anything right now, so of course it fails because there's nothing to update. We'll just call that a feature instead of a bug. Password change process works, okay? Right now, this guy's password is... I have no idea. Let's find out. There we go. That's his password right now. And we're going to go ahead and invert it. So we'll just do that. Update the password. Tells us to use the new password. So let's go ahead and log out and log back in. This is using the old password by default. Doesn't work. So if we do the new password, which actually, you know, I'll just type it in plain text and copy it so you can see. And thus we see that the new password works. Oh yeah, let's update. Good idea. And just as a final statement of proof, I'm going to go ahead and show the database as well, showing that I am storing the hash and not the plain text. Which could also be done by showing you the code, but this is more fun and I trust you. So here we go, Guy Fawkes, legit.com. There we go. And that's it for today.